Hello student, welcome back in e-learning program organized by Modern Educational Group. Myself Ansu, your science teacher from Modern Children School. Students, today we are going to revise chapter 1 of class 3, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. We see a variety of things around us. Some are living things, other are non-living things. Okay, so let's see about living things. Students, there are so many properties of living things. All the animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce. Living things can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food. Okay? Now, animals like dog, cat and human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of wings. And fish move with the help of fins. Plants do not move from place to place because they do not have to look for food. Green plants make their own food. Okay, some plants move in a special way. For example, a lotus open out at sunrises and close at night. The leaves of mimosa plant or touch me not close. When you touch the leaves, it close. Now, the second one, living things can grow, while non-living things cannot grow. Okay, plants and animals grow with the time. A child grows into adult. A seed grows into a plant. But non-living things cannot grow. Things like doll and cricket cannot grow. Now, non-living things breathe, while non-living things do not breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. Some animals also breathe through our nose. Cockroaches and butterflies breathe through their air holes in the body. Plants breathe through teeny pores called stomata that is present on their leaves. Okay, again I repeat, non-living things cannot breathe. Now, living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, whereas non-living things do not need food. Now, living things feel changes. We can feel changes around us like hot and cold weather. In the same way, animals and plants can also feel changes. Most of animals feels or sense changes around them with the help of their sense organ. As you know, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skins are the sense organ. Animals like cockroaches and grasshoppers have a special body parts called antennae which help them to feel changes around them. Plants also feel changes around them. For example, mimosa, touch me not. Plants feel a touch A lotus open out at sunrises and close at night. Plant can also feel light and grow toward it, but non-living things do not feel changes. Okay. Now the living things can reproduce. You all know living things reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. A woman gives birth to a baby while a pigeon and a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Okay. Now plants also reproduce. It reproduces with the help of seed. Some plants also gives rises to new plants with the help of their root, stems or leaf. For example, rubber plant, money plant and sugarcane. Now the topic is man-made things and natural things. So first one is natural things. Natural things, things which are given by nature. Okay, things which are given by nature are natural things like moon, sun, star, etc. While man-made things, things which are made by man, are man-made things or artificial things like table, chair, book, clock and etc.